Ubang mga colors nga, una-una, pang sigilang sila. Congratulations, Tita! Next, lucky winner. Blanco Malu! Blanco Malu! Meron ba? Wala? Wala? Wala daw. Uli sa tanhay. Sige. Next! We have Umuad Karil Faye. Umuad, ayun, from the purple. Congratulations. Taka na yun din ha. Okay, next lucky winner. After this one, we have our non-stop mga presentation. Boy and Violi Villan. Congratulations. Hindi na yun ng tono. Purple team. Dito, congratulations. Next lucky winner, we have Olive and Leonardo Arriaga. Green Tingy Hapon. Congratulations. Sige, ato pasalamat itong mga generous donors yung ihatag silang grasya, di paambit silang grasya. Lagi paambit po para sa uman. Daghang salamat. Next lucky winner, we have Franz Caramales. Franz Caramales. Ayun, meron from Green Team again. Congratulations. Minghoy Maglo. Alright, next lucky winner. First time, ginakanaog raffle. Thank you, Tita. Congratulations. Alright, next. Alam Tess. Tita Tess. Meron ba si Tita Tess? Narito ba? Tita Tess. Wala. Niuli sa Kanlamon. Ay, naan. Dali mo babay or wala? Naan. Thank you. Congratulations. Meron. Nasi Tita. Hinahinay na Tita. Okay, danlog na maganda. Next luck winner, we have Precious Umbak. Precious Umbak. Congratulations. Tita Precious. Okay, next lucky winner, kaya prepare itong mga nayaw, actors and actresses later on for our non-stop performances. Please be ready, you're next. We have Christian Mokia. Christian! Alina, congratulations. Next lucky winner, we have Delia Futan. Ayun, from Green Team, congratulations. Again, ito wala ni-resto lang ni attendance. Ay, mo nahulog ang hulbutan. Ito rin ni-resto ni attendance. We have Roselle Kimberly Silva. Ma'am Silva, nandito? Ayun, Green Team gihapon. Ikot matabang. Kamu na rin nakahulog sa bugas din sa tubangan Green Team. Dito mo matabang. Gusto kayo yung buwampo. Sige. Congratulations, John Ashley Malero, SE number 4. Meron ba? Nandito ba si ate? Ate? Yeah, Ate Ashley. Familiar, Ate Ashley. Congratulations. Next. Lucky winner for our umbrella, sponsored by Avon. 5 Elena. 5 Elena. Ay, ano mo si Ate? Nailigin. Meron? Gailis. Gailis o Gaw. Sayaw siya niya. Gailis o Gaw. Congratulations, ilahi yung pilot ilahi. Okay, wilang niya to niya. Okay, next lucky winner, Sarah and Dave Bulao. Congratulations. Okay, last lucky winner for our umbrella, worth 10,000 pesos. Misa may kapilang mahatak na, maipit di ko na, mapiko. Oo. Pag lumaro ng payungan na, well, bumalik ko sa yung balay na. Olivia Valencia! Negros Oriental. Sige. Sige ka, Tita Olivia, kay lotion na iyahan. Ayun. Kus kasi man ang imong gamit ang imong hamis kung imong lawas. Sige, lotion ka, Tita. Okay, next lucky winner. Tita Olivia, meron ba? Nandito ba siya? Nandito ba? Wala? Imo na lang ni Tita? Sige, next lucky winner, we have Sheena Faye Di Benagracia. Ay, muna naman ito ganina. Pamilya mag-entry. Okay, next. Okay, for lotion, sponsored by, okay, Mansueto Gloriosa. Okay, Tito. Ano kay lotion, Tito? Di ko ka matabang dito mag-lotion, nakasugod bukma. Sponsored by Unilever. Sponsored by Avon. Okay, we have Marlene and Marcelo Sia. Nandito na from Blue Team. Tita. Sige, Tita. Ay, body lotion. Face and body lotion. Good. Congratulations to Richelle Torres. Ayun, congratulations, ate. Okay, next lucky winner. We have Peter and Mary Jane Makabingil. Congratulations, sister, from Foundation University. Si Tito. Si Kuya Peter. Sa Kuya Peter. Kuya Peter ko? Oh, yan. Okay, si Kuya. Okay, next we have Joseph C. Reyes. Joseph Reyes, ayun. Brother, favorite price here. So, what nakakabis ni Kuya? Alright, next lucky winner, we have Veronica and Vincent Kibal. Veronica Kibal. Non-stop, dire-diretso. So now, brothers and sisters in Christ, we celebrate under the theme the Christ-centered community, walking in faith as pilgrims of hope. This season we come together like pilgrims on a joyful journey, walking in faith and filled with the hope and light that Christ brings to our lives. Through music, stories, and celebration, let's remember that we are part of a community united with His love. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy the festive journey as we embrace the true spirit of Christmas. Brothers and sisters, please help me welcome the non-stop Christmas presentations from our very own Bukas Loob sa Diyos community. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big hand. Malakas na palakpakan naman dyan! Isang malakas na palakpakan at isang malakas na sigawan naman dyan! Woo! Anong energy!
Oh, ito. Oh. Amo niya ko ah? Okay, pwede ito. One for the road. Where's the road?
Shoutout dahil sa mga coordinators sa Singles Ministry, Tita Sally at Tito Celio Constantilla. Tita and Tito, good evening. Salamat sa pag-provide ng pagkaon sa mga singles. Kaya na ginagawin, matawag mo yung ito. Thank you so much, Tito, for facilitating. Okay, are we all set? Performers, are you all ready? Again, here's the sequence for our Christmas presentations. Emmy number 69, Emmy number 70, Wai Tanhai number 4, Emmy Tanhai number 6, Emmy Shakon number 3, SB Tanhai number 4, SBE Dumaguete number 15, SBE Tanhai number 4, YE Dumaguete number 16, Singles Encounter Dumaguete number 22. And of course, with our CS, PCS, with Monsignor Julius Canderuela for their surprise number. Ako nagisultik. Dito sa surprise. Okay, are we all set? Brothers and sisters? Alright. In a minute, we'll start our non-stop Christmas presentations. In 2024, our non-stop Christmas presentation from our friends from the Bukas Loob sa Diyos. Let's give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
In a world filled with challenges, where darkness seems to linger and hope feels distant, there are those who walk a path of faith, seeking light and healing. This journey begins with a step toward compassion, unity, and strength. Tonight, we walk together. We bring with us our struggles, our fears, and our hopes. For in our shared journey, we find the strength to overcome, to rebuild, and to heal.
Joseph, the world feels heavy, burdened by sorrow and loss. Yet, I see so many hearts that carry love, kindness, and hope. Their journey is our journey.
Yes, Mary. Each step we take together strengthens us. The path may be difficult, but when we walk as one, we bring light into even the darkest places.